Hello guys, happy Thursday. If you want to make money this season, buy made in America cryptocurrency. I believe this sector will do well in the next bull run. So guys, some of the projects I am going to mention, I started buying them since 2020. So guys, you can buy XRP. The current price of XRP is 2.478 US dollars. You can also watch my video on how to buy XRP. You can buy Solana. The current price of Solana is 144.95 US dollars. You can also watch my video on Solana Crypto Dream. In my crypto dream, I saw Solana blast off. So guys, if you have spare money, you can take advantage. If you have CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, search for Solana, click on markets. You will see all listed crypto exchange where you can buy this project. You can buy ADA. You can also watch my video on how to stake ADA and how to buy ADA. The current price of ADA is 0.9514 US dollars. So guys, take advantage of the current price. If you have spare money, you can buy Doge. Doge is number one cryptocurrency in the meme coin ranking. So guys, the current price of Doge is 0.2030 US dollars. If you have CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you will see website. Click on website. It will take you to the Doge website. You can also click on markets. When you search for Doge on CoinMarketCap, you will see a list of crypto exchange where you can buy Doge. You can buy Chainlink. You can buy HBAR. The current price of HBAR is 0.2455 US dollars. You can watch my video on how to protect your HBAR, how to stake HBAR, and how to buy HBAR. You can buy XLM. You can watch my video on how to buy XLM. You can also watch my video on how to use Lobster Wallet, XLM wallet. The current price of XLM is 0.2969 US dollars. You can buy AVAX, you can buy SUI. I bought SUI after the launch pad on Binance in 2022 or 2023. So guys, you can take advantage of the current price of SUI, 2.604 US dollars. If you have CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you can search for the website of SUI on CoinMarketCap. It will take you directly to SUI website. So guys, if you click on website, it will take you to SUI website. You can buy Litecoin, you can buy Polkadot, you can buy Uniswap, you can buy Ondo, you can buy Near Protocol. The current price of Near Protocol is 2.997 US dollars. You can buy Algo, you can buy Theta, you can buy GLT, you can buy Bank, you can buy Gala, you can buy XCN. So guys, the current price of XCN is 0.01538 US dollars. You can watch my video on how to stake XCN and how to buy XCN. So guys, don't forget, if you have spare money, this is not a financial advice. You can take advantage of made in America cryptocurrency. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.